In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Fantastical on iPhone. Let's get started by opening the Fantastical app on your iPhone. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar and any tasks or events you already have. We're going to add a brand new task from here, and it only takes a few taps. Look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the plus button. This is your starting point for adding anything new in Fantastical. After tapping it, you'll see options for what you can create. Choose the task option, the one marked with a check mark. This tells Fantastical you're adding a to-do item rather than a calendar event. Next, tap the text field at the top and type the task you want to remember. Keep it clear and action-oriented so it's easy to recognize later, like buy groceries or email project update. Fantastical is great at understanding natural language, so if you want, you can include details right in the text, such as buy groceries tomorrow at 5 p.m., and it will pick up the date and time automatically. If you prefer to keep it simple, just type the task name for now. If you need more control over where this task lives or when it's due, tap Show More. This expands a set of helpful options. Here you can choose the list you want to assign this task to, which is useful if you like keeping personal, work, or errands separate. You can also set a due date or a specific time. Setting a date helps you see the task right where it belongs in your schedule, and adding a time is handy if there's a particular moment you want to handle it. If the task doesn't need a date or time, feel free to leave those blank so it just appears on your task list without a deadline. The key is to use just enough detail to make the task easy to act on later. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the task text and any optional details, tap Add at the top right. That saves your task to Fantastical and places it in the correct list and on the appropriate date if you chose one. You'll now see it alongside your other tasks and events, ready for you to check off when it's done. And that's it. You've created a task quickly and clearly in Fantastical on your iPhone. Keep using these same steps whenever something new comes to mind, and you'll always know exactly what needs to get done and when.